The Philippines, a land full of riches and beauty, where culture and traditions live on, passed down through generations. One of these traditions still lives among us today. This afternoon, see and hear a story of love and history, a love that could not last, but remains in hearts, longing forever.
I am fortunate because my partner is the best dancer in the tribe. I can't wait to start a family with you, my wife.
I feel the same, my love. Our love cannot be matched by gold, land, or harvest. I will serve you, care for you, and give you the family you dream of.
Here, this is where I build our home. It may be simple, but we will fill it with love and beautiful memories. And over there, do you see that vast land? I will plant it full of crops. I will never let you go hungry. And I will never let our future children starve.
The sun and the stars will bear witness to our love, a love as strong as river's current, as pure as spring water, and as enduring as the tradition of our tribe.
7 years! 7 years have passed. 7 years have passed since Lumnay and Awiyaw were wed. And nothing, nothing. Their love did not bear fruit. The flowers did not bloom. The roots were unearthed. The trees did not bear fruit. And so, nothing. 7 years of love did not create life.
O my Lord, hear my long-standing prayer. I wholeheartedly implore you to grant my wish. I have done everything to prove myself worthy, to not fall short as a wife, but there is something my husband desired that I cannot provide. I need to become a mother. Bless our union with the child to continue what we have started. Please accept this fruit as an offering to answer my prayer.
Lumnay, my wife, our tribal leader is here. He wishes to speak with us.
I am deeply saddened by the outcome of your union. 10 years have passed and your love has not borne fruit. You are aware of the tradition of our tribe. It is a man's honor, wealth, and duty to have children. If this cannot be achieved with a first wife, he must seek another partner to fulfill this role. His duty to the tribe and tradition. Hence, I have brought Madulimay.
I'm here to serve you and fulfill what is lacking.
But according to the tradition we have inherited, you must marry another to fulfill this role. That is why we have chosen Madulimay to assist you in fulfilling this duty. Tonight, your wedding with Madulimay will take place.
I'm here to serve you and fulfill what is lacking.
I will leave now to allow you to speak privately. Prepare yourself for your wedding with Madulimay tonight.
I'm sorry for this has to happen. Forgive me, but we have no choice. Who knows? You might find a man for yourself.
But I don't want another man. I don't desire anyone else.
You know I don't want anyone else either. You know that, don't you?
Yes, I know.
I've done nothing wrong. You can't blame me. I've been a good husband to you.
Nor can you blame me.
I have nothing bad to say about you. But a man needs to have a child. 7 years are too long to wait.
You know I did everything. I prayed so hard to Kabunyan, offered so many chicken in my supplication.
Yes, I know that.
Do you remember how angry you were when I slaughtered one of the pigs without asking? I did it to please Kabunyan. Because I love you. Because I wanted a child. Because I wanted to give you a child.
It was not destined for us to be blessed with a child by Kabunyan.
being a wife is not enough, even if I'm the best. It's not enough. I need to be a mother and I can give you that.
And I hope you understand, Lumnay. The house is yours. I built it for you.
I don't need a house.
I will give you my field, the one I dug from the mountain, in the first year of the marriage.
I have no use for the field.
Go back to dance. You shouldn't have come here. They wonder where you are. And Madeline might feel bad, so go back now.
I would feel better if you attend and dance once again.
You know I can't do that.
Let's talk about this tomorrow, Lumnay. Our tribal leader is looking for me.
Goodbye, my love.
Lumnay, you know I'm doing this to have a child. And you know that life is meaningless for me without a child. It's a shame for me. You know that?
I know. I will pray that Kabunyan blesses you. Awiyaw. Awiyaw, I did everything to have a child. Look at me. I will die if I see you with someone else.
You won't die. You won't.
I don't care about the fields. I don't need a house. All I need is you.
I don't want anyone else but you, my love. But we have no choice because this is the will of everyone.
I will go back to my father. I will die.
There will be no one to inherit the fields I carved from the mountains. No one to continue my legacy.
If she failed this second time, come back to me. I will welcome you with open arms.
If I fail, I will return to you. We will die together, and we will leave this world together.
My necklace, Awiyaw. Let me keep my necklace.
You will keep the necklace. It has been with us for a long time. Keep the necklace, Lumnay.
Awiyaw! Awiyaw! Oh, Awiyaw! They are looking for you at the dance!
I'm not in a hurry!
The elders will be angry with you, so you'd better go now.
I will keep the necklace because it's a symbol of your love for me. I love you. I love you and I have nothing to give.
I won't leave until you tell me you'll be okay when I'm gone.
Goodbye, my love.
Goodbye, my wife.